Arancini with beer and sausage risotto are a delicious and aromatic variation of the classic Sicilian arancini. Here's how to make them. Ingredients: 300 grams Arborio or Carnaroli rice, 500 milliliters light beer, 150 grams sausage, 50 grams finely chopped onion, 50 grams butter, 100 grams grated Parmesan, 2 eggs, 150 grams mozzarella or mild provola cubed, breadcrumbs as needed, oil for frying, salt and pepper as needed. Preparation: start by sautéing the chopped onion with half the butter in a large pot. Once the onion becomes translucent, add the crumbled sausage and let it brown well. Add the rice to the pot and toast it for a few minutes, stirring constantly. Gradually pour in the beer, continuing to stir and allowing the rice to absorb it before adding more liquid. This step replaces the broth typically used to make risotto, and it is essential that the rice cooks slowly in the beer. When the rice is almost fully cooked and has absorbed most of the beer, add the Parmesan, the remaining butter, season with salt and pepper, and stir until creamy. Let the risotto cool. Once cooled, take some risotto and flatten it on your hand. Place a cube of mozzarella or provola in the center, and close the risotto around the cheese to form a ball. Coat the risotto balls first in the beaten eggs and then in the breadcrumbs, making sure they are fully covered. Heat the oil in a deep pan, and once it reaches the right temperature, fry the arancini until golden and crispy. Drain them on paper towels to remove excess oil before serving. Fun fact: arancini are one of the symbols of Sicilian cuisine, and their name comes from their shape and color that resemble oranges. This beer and sausage variation is a more modern and bold take that combines Italian risotto tradition with the use of beer in savory dishes. Remember that the quality of the beer you'd use can affect the final flavor of the dish, so choose it carefully.